Hello guys, here are my top 7 selling products for the week. To succeed in business, you need demand products to sell, which you need time to find out what's the best for you and for your target customers. And I found it fun sell things that I like. Mapping out my best-selling products helped me a lot. To keep tracking the product my customer needs. First, I do make lots of research and read people's comments concerning the products, and I have to test it very well to be sure that the product is working properly before selling them out. Let's move to it. my best-selling products for the week. Finding the right products to sell is only one part of the equation. Most importantly, my demand grows very well, because being sincere to your customers is very important. When you are sincere to your customers, they keep coming back and even introduce their friends to you. My goal is to provide a roadmap for generating the best-selling product ideas from my experience, for help of small and medium business people out there. Hope to see you next week for the next week best sellings. Thank you.